and welcome back to Vintage Nook. I'm so happy you're here. Today we're starting the year with a gentle January home reset, exploring small, thoughtful upgrades that instantly make your space feel luxurious. From lighting and textures to everyday details, these ideas are simple yet meaningful. Get comfortable, take a slow breath, and enjoy this cozy journey toward a calmer, more beautiful home together, designed to inspire warmth, intention, and timeless comfort this winter. January is the perfect moment to reset your home with intention and calm. Start by editing your space, removing visual clutter, and allowing each item to breathe. A simplified room instantly feels more refined, balanced, and luxurious without spending money. This mindful beginning sets a soothing tone for the year. Think of luxury as space to pause rather than expensive objects. When surfaces are clear and layouts feel intentional, light flows better and textures stand out. This calm foundation prepares your home for small upgrades that truly shine. It also supports daily rituals, creativity, comfort, and emotional well-being at home. Upgrading your lighting is one of the fastest ways to elevate atmosphere. Swap harsh bulbs for warm, soft lighting that mimics candlelight. Table lamps, floor lamps, and dimmers create layers, making any room feel intimate, elegant, and thoughtfully designed. This simple change instantly transforms evenings into calm, luxurious experiences inside. Consider replacing overhead lighting with softer alternatives whenever possible. Lamps placed at different heights add depth and warmth. Light becomes decorative, not just functional, highlighting furniture and creating a cozy, high-end mood throughout your living spaces. This approach feels intentional, timeless, and beautifully aligned with slow living principles aesthetics. Textiles have the power to instantly change how a room feels. Introduce plush throws, linen curtains, or textured cushions in neutral tones. These subtle layers add warmth, softness, and visual interest, creating a space that feels curated and inviting. Luxury often lives in touch, comfort, and the way fabrics move. Choose materials that feel good against the skin and age beautifully over time. Natural fibers like cotton, wool, and linen bring understated elegance. When colors remain calm and cohesive, your home begins to feel like a quiet, refined retreat. This softness encourages rest, presence, and everyday moments of pleasure inside. Luxury often hides in the objects we use daily. Replace mismatched glasses with simple, elegant glassware. Even water feels special when served beautifully. Clear, weighted glasses elevate everyday routines, making small moments feel intentional and refined. This subtle upgrade brings quiet sophistication to kitchens, dining areas, and slow mornings. Choose timeless shapes that feel pleasant to hold. When items feel good in your hands, routines become rituals. Displaying glassware openly also adds sparkle and visual interest. These thoughtful choices create a sense of abundance and care, reminding you to enjoy ordinary moments with elegance and presence each day. Replacing hardware is a small detail with big impact. Swap outdated knobs or handles for brass, matte black, or brushed finishes. This simple change elevates cabinets, drawers, and doors, making your home feel custom, intentional, and refined. It is affordable, quick, and surprisingly transformative for everyday spaces like kitchens, bathrooms. Consistency is key when choosing finishes throughout your home. Repeating similar metals creates harmony and cohesion. These thoughtful details may go unnoticed individually, but together they communicate care, design awareness, and a sense of quiet luxury. Such refinement subtly elevates daily routines and long-term satisfaction within your personal environment. Art instantly brings personality and depth into a room. You do not need expensive pieces to feel luxurious. Choose artwork with meaningful colors, calm compositions, or vintage character. Even simple frames can transform walls into curated, gallery-like moments. This visual storytelling makes your home feel expressive and lived in. Consider leaning art on shelves or layering pieces for a relaxed effect. Mixing old and new creates depth and soul. When artwork reflects your taste and memories, the space feels authentic, warm, and effortlessly elevated rather than overly styled. This balance invites connection, conversation, and emotional comfort daily at home. Natural elements bring instant calm and luxury into interiors. Introduce wood, stone, ceramics, or plants to soften modern spaces. These materials connect your home to nature, adding texture and warmth that feels timeless, grounding, and quietly sophisticated. They also improve mood, air quality, and overall sensory experience within your space. Even one leafy plant or handmade ceramic bowl can change a room's energy. Imperfections feel human and beautiful. By choosing organic shapes and earthy tones, your home feels balanced, restorative, and designed for slow, intentional living. This approach supports mindfulness, comfort, and a deeper sense of home over time, gently. Scent is an often overlooked element of luxury. Introduce candles, incense, or essential oils with soft, comforting notes. A signature home scent creates emotional memory, making your space feel welcoming, intimate, and intentionally curated from the moment you enter. This sensory layer quietly enhances everyday rituals and personal comfort inside. Choose scents that align with the mood you want to cultivate. Woody, musky, or herbal fragrances feel grounding and mature. When scent remains subtle, it elevates the atmosphere without overwhelming, creating a refined and memorable living experience. It becomes part of your home's identity and emotional language over time, naturally. Refreshing bedding can dramatically change how luxurious your bedroom feels. Opt for crisp sheets, neutral palettes, and layered pillows. A well-made bed signals comfort and care, transforming your bedroom into a peaceful retreat that feels hotel-inspired. This simple reset improves sleep quality and daily motivation every single night. Focus on textures rather than patterns for a timeless look. Linen, cotton, and subtle quilting feel breathable and elegant. When colors stay soft and cohesive, your bedroom becomes a sanctuary designed for rest, renewal, and quiet indulgence. Luxury here feels gentle, personal, and supportive of your well-being, comfort, and peace. Finally, focus on small rituals that make your home feel intentional. Style a tray with books, candles, or ceramics. These quiet moments of beauty suggest care and mindfulness, turning everyday corners into spaces that feel personal and luxurious. Such details elevate routines and create joy in ordinary days at home. Luxury is rarely about excess. It is about intention. When your space supports calm habits and gentle routines, it feels elevated. A January reset invites you to live slower, appreciate beauty, and feel truly at home. These thoughtful upgrades shape a luxurious life from within your environment, mindset, and rituals. Thank you for spending this quiet moment with Vintage Nook. I hope these January home reset ideas inspired you to see luxury in simplicity and intention. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more cozy, timeless inspiration. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below. Until next time, take care, move slowly, and enjoy creating a home you truly love. Your support helps this space grow and meaningful.